Welcome to 10 Facts About, the channel where we break down big ideas into bite-sized facts that actually make sense. Today we're tackling something huge. Today we're showing you how to start your own YouTube channel, even if you've never uploaded a single video in your life. Let's stop overthinking and start creating. Here are 10 facts you need to know. To start a YouTube channel, you need a Google account. Head to youtube.com, click Sign In, and create an account if you don't have one. Create a Gmail account just for YouTube, not your personal one. It keeps your channel clean, secure, and ready to grow. Google will ask for your phone number. Do it. It's essential for unlocking YouTube's features later. After signing in, create your channel. A channel name. This appears under your videos. A handle. This is your @name across YouTube. Must be unique. Upload a profile pic and a banner image. Go to YouTube Studio. Settings, Upload. Defaults, set visibility to private, so videos don't go live too soon. Under Advanced, enable comment moderation. Declare if your content is for kids, important for YouTube compliance. In your About section, add a public contact email, but never use your login email. Create a business-only one to stay protected. Use settings, permissions to give access to editors or managers, without sharing your login. This is only available on brand accounts, which is why we chose that earlier. Head to Settings. Channel. Feature eligibility and verify again to unlock. Custom thumbnails, longer videos, live streams. Content claim appeals. You'll get a code via text. Enter it and boom, you're verified. In customization, basic info. Add a short, punchy channel description. Focus on viewer value. Use keywords so YouTube knows what your channel is about. In branding, upload. A banner with centered content, a video watermark, usually a subscribe icon. Keep your visuals and color scheme consistent. Think branding. Before recording, ask yourself, who is this channel for? Why would they care? Titles and thumbnails are your packaging. Design them first. Focus on emotion and curiosity, not just search keywords. Your first few videos might be awkward, and that's a good thing, because it means you're learning. The only way to get better is to start. So get creating, future YouTuber. The world's waiting for your content. You've just set up your YouTube channel like a pro. Hit like, subscribe, and watch our next video where we help you design your first upload like a creator that means business.